All right, y'all, we are live on this beautiful Thursday afternoon. Blessings to everybody in the name of Jesus, Yeshua, the Messiah. Do pray everybody is super blessed as Bitcoin is getting some massive volatility. Just joking. We are back in the range, y'all. Back in the range. Ever since we came down to this low, we got a false alarm little pump. Bam, just take out these highs, boom, give it all back. Still long though, still in the long trade, of course. Setup given in advance. I always hold my trades. I hold them. I hold the trades. Also long on XRP, guys. Long on XRP, been waiting for this level for multiple years now. So let's see what happens. Shout out to everybody in the chat. God bless you all. Make sure to like the stream. If we can get 1,000 likes, we will be doing a giveaway. Let's see who we got in here. Shout out to Sudeep. What is going on? Thank you so much for the hand. Purple and blue peace. Appreciate you. Shout out to Remy for the hand pink waving. Appreciate the hand pink waving. Shout out to Rajwee. Hello, baby. Hello, baby. Back at you. Shout out to Shane O. What's up, y'all? Shout out to Cozy Babe. Blessings to everyone. Jay Armo. What is going on, man? God bless you. Good to see you here. Once a wild pony. What is going on, my man? What is going on, Franfo? Shout out to Il Est is not here, and Spacetime Jim. What's going on, Spacetime Jim? Glad to see you guys here. God bless you all. It's going to be an interesting stream, guys, as we are watching Bitcoin right now potentially actually get a move to the upside. All right, potential move to the upside here on Bitcoin. Yeah, so here's the deal, guys. Bitcoin is trading in a sideways range. We came down to the low, this long setup that we were looking at Monday morning to basically come down, put in a new low at a very, very, very key zone of support around that 28,600 level, which we in fact did. And look, I'll be honest with you, right? I'll be honest. When I look at market Cipher B on the 4-hour, it's a little bit ambiguous, a little bit hard to determine what's going on. Reason is because we are seeing bearish divergences forming here on the 4-hour, and we are also seeing bullish divergences forming here on the 4-hour as well. And we are seeing right now a trigger wave printing on the 4-hour with money flow getting higher as we have come down into the area that we were here yesterday. We were literally here yesterday. We came down to the Fibonacci Golden Pocket 786 zone where we are currently holding support. And so there is a chance that we do get a large move to the upside here if we can hold this support, right? The make it or break it level that we were looking at yesterday for Bitcoin was the 786 fib, right around 28.8. 28.8 is the make it or break it level. What does that mean? It means if we lose 28.8, I expect more downside, but if we hold 28.8, this is potentially a reversal pattern. Our low, our high, our low. Now we would be looking up toward a higher high. And if we go down to a lower term time frame right now on Bitcoin, we can also see that we have come down to the local Fibonacci Golden Pocket retracement. So if we go to our 12-minute time frame and we just look at the last major low we put in to the last major high, we are currently right now getting a bounce from that Fibonacci Golden Pocket. Let's adjust this right here. Look at that. Wow. Would you look at that? It's pretty intense, right? So very interesting price action that we've got going on. The one thing, the one word of caution that I have right now for another move to the upside is the fact that when we take a look at this entire sideways range, we did not come up to the top of the value area high today. And if we do, there's a chance that we do so with a very bearish divergence on the 12-minute time frame, which, in my opinion, would signify that a top very well may be put in here. All right, so that's what's up with Bitcoin. We're going to be taking a look at some other assets as well. Good old Bitcoin, XRP. Those are pretty much the only two things I'm trading right now. I'm in 6 trades on MEXC. Those are pretty much the only trades I'm in right now. 6 positions, only on Bitcoin and Ripple, guys. Bitcoin and Ripple. So I'm in some pretty nice longs, as you can see. Short from the top, long from the bottom on Ripple. Same deal with Bitcoin. All setups given in advance in the Casper Crew VIP Discord. I'm a patient trader. I wait for those juicy levels. Shout out to everybody in the chat right now. Shout out to J-Boy Bullish. What is going on, my friend? Shout out to BitDP, says Jason, approaching 100K subs. Man, if we get 100,000 subscribers today, I will give away 100,000. I gotta be careful. I'll do a really nice giveaway. Man, I'll do the craziest giveaway. If we get 100,000 subscribers today, that would be insane. Could this mean volatility is coming, Flipto? Absolutely, my friend. If there's one thing for certain right now, it's that volatility is in fact coming. Yeah, absolutely. Absolutely. Shout out to Robert Bonar holding it down with the wrench. What is going on, man? God bless you, bro. Thank you so much for being here. Yeah, I'll give away 1 chicken. I'll either give away 1 chicken or 5 eggs. What do you guys think? Shout out to Wary's RSA from South Africa. What is going on, my friend? Thank you so much for being here. No volume? I guess there's volume in my voice, but there's no volume with the music. I forgot to put on the music. Here we go. Now we've got some music going on. Is this a transdivergence, Jay Schlongen? Yes, it is a transdivergence. It's non-binary. It could identify as bullish or bearish. It could identify as bullish or bearish. Crypto Main, 100,000 subs today. That would be crazy, man. We'd literally have to get 1,000 subscribers. We got about 400 people watching. We're going to need 400 subscribers. I mean, 1,000 subscribers. I'm really bad at math, which is a good reminder that none of this is financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just some guy on the internet. I have a sleeveless shirt with a hood, and I'm on a treadmill. Definitely not a trustworthy guy, so don't listen to anything I say, but you should still like and subscribe, okay? You should still like and subscribe. So let's take a look here at the Bitcoin chart. I want to go to a different chart because I want to pull up some other tools that we have here. So bear with me 1 second, guys. I'm going to flip over to another chart. I'm going to flip over. Shout out to Flipto. Flipping over to a new chart. Ouch. All right. Shout out to Zakari. What is going on? Shout out to Fahad from Pakistan. What is going on, Fahad from Pakistan? God bless you. Thank you so much for being here. All right, so yeah, I want to take a look at Bitcoin because we are in a very dire, this is a dire situation. And I do have to be honest, although I can see a move to the upside, objectively speaking right now, things are looking pretty dang weak. All right, pretty dang weak in the sense that we are in a local downtrend right here. We're in a local downtrend right here. Now, there's one last hope that I have for Bitcoin. Well, first of all, there really is a chance, as I said before, that this little chunk right here will turn out to be somewhat of a nice bottom, right? There really is a chance, again, as long as we hold higher lows, that this could be a move to the upside, right? Now, if not, we can clearly see on the daily time frame that we could have a very, very smooth move back down. And the last hope for me, like the last hope that I have before I'm looking for much lower prices is going to basically be the high volume node from the entire uptrend, right? Coming in right around 28K. Right around 28K, we have the high volume node of the entire uptrend. And so this to me is a make it or break it level. Not only is it a high volume node at 28K, but we can also see it's a major support resistance flip, right? It's the last high that we put in before the dump leading to the pump, right? And so for me, it's a very key support resistance flip. We can see that if we lose the level, it could be a very smooth move back down. And we don't really have any major support until we're coming back down to $27,000, the Fibonacci golden pocket. And honestly, we have more support at this clear support resistance flip down here at the 786, around $26,200. This is another very key level. The reason why 26.2 is such a key level is because it was resistance, and then it was support all this time, and then it was resistance again before the big pump. So really, when we're looking at this large pump, right, this large move to the upside that we got here, the last major resistance we had before the breakout is right there at 26.2. So we got to be careful. Also, when we take a look at the weekly time frame, we are absolutely confirming bearish divergences on the weekly right now. Right, 100% confirming bearish divergences on that weekly time frame. Right? It is none other than the dreaded, bald-headed Gary Gensler bearish market Cipher B pattern. As the price is getting higher into key resistance, Gary Gensler's head getting much lower. Very, very interesting. Very, very interesting. So this is where we're at, guys. This weekly doji looking pretty dang ugly. Right now for me, there's two very important lines of demarcation for Bitcoin. If we can reclaim 29.7, this value area low, then in my opinion, there's a really good chance we can get a move up to 30,500. And if we could reclaim 30,500, we might get a move up to 31K. If we cannot reclaim that, I'm looking down to 28K, and if we lose 28K, guys, I'm looking down to these levels for my next major long. The one thing that's giving me hope in all of this is the 4-hour time frame, right? And even if we look at the 6-hour time frame, we can see over time money flow getting thicker here. So there really is still a chance. There's still hope, all right? There is still hope. I want to take a look at some other assets today, guys. I want to take a look at XRP. Let's quickly take a look at the order flow, because I do want to say something very interesting, which is this. We've got a lot of shorts opening up trapped right now under VWAP. We have a lot of shorts right now that are trapped under VWAP. You can see on this last big move to the downside here, we got ourselves a bearish divergence. Right, we got ourselves a nice little bearish CVD divergence here into the golden pocket, and then we came down to VWAP. Now, when we lost VWAP, we saw a lot of shorts open up. In fact, 6.6 million shorts opening up right into the VWAP, and a lot of those guys are currently trapped. 2.8 million shorts right now underwater, plus another 1.5 million underwater. So we've got about, 4.3 million shorts right now. Actually, 5.5 million shorts that shorted, and they're currently in the red. Right, so this is very interesting. This is actually forming somewhat of a bullish CVD divergence on the chart. If we take a look at coinlines.net, we can see that after we put in this bottom here, as the price is getting higher, we're seeing the CVD getting lower, and we're also seeing a significant increase in the open interest. We're seeing a lot of shorts open up, and a lot of them opened up right into the VWAP. So this is very, very interesting. Are we going to get another squeeze to the upside? If we do, right? If we do get another squeeze to the upside, well, honestly, I'd be looking to take out the high that we put in today. I'd be looking to take out the high that we put in up here at about 29,433. And I did, in fact, let's see, I did, in fact, take a short from there. I did take a short from this Fibonacci golden pocket right here at around 29,300. And the reason why I took that short is because if we take a look at the order flow, we were definitely getting a bearish CVD divergence. We take a look at, we made this first high, then we made a lower high, and we saw the CVD getting higher. Okay, open interest, But if we even go down to a much lower time frame, like this trend reversal chart, we can actually see, as we tap into that golden pocket right here, we can see longs opening up into the golden pocket immediately, giving us a tiny mini little bearish CVD divergence. And so earlier today, in the Discord, I was looking for one of two things to take the short trade, right? We're looking at a short from this box, but I was only wanting to take a short if we got a higher high with bearish divergence, or we made a lower high with CVD divergence. And we did make the lower high with CVD divergence right into the golden pocket. And so that for me is a short. TP1 is hit. And TP1 is hit, guys. And now, let's see. Maybe we'll get stopped out of this thing. Maybe we'll get stopped out of it live on the internet. That would be interesting. We are bouncing from the Fibonacci golden pocket right now. So this thing might get stopped out. Now, my next TP on this short is going to be at 28,951. 28,951 is my next take profit. If we get another pump, we have to be aware that to the upside, we do have this level right here, the CDW potential. And right above that CDW potential is the value area high of the range. Okay, so be aware, 29,463 is an important area to be looking at for potential bearish divergence right here. Boom, right? That bearish divergence, the Gary Gensler bald-headed pattern, what we would want to see there. Shout out to everybody in the chat. What is going on? Whoa. What's going on with the, is there no sound? Sound is F, huh? Huh. Well, that's not good. Let me check this. Okay. There's an issue with the mic. An issue with the mic. Then bear with me, guys. Let me see what I can do here. Let me see what I can do. Will this work? No. Alright, you know what? We're going to have to cut the music, guys. We're going to have to cut the music. I think that's the issue. We're going to have to cut the music. All right. Check, 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 check. It's not looking good. How's that? How's that, guys? Let me know. Can you hear me now? Can you hear me now? Bearish on the mic. Shout out to Gabucci for the super chat. Thank you so much. Shout out to ZOOMEX for the super chat. Thank you so much for letting me know about the mic. Guys, all right. Dang, man. I guess we can't have music. You know, this new laptop deal, I got to learn how to use it. I got to learn how to use it. Shout out to the super chats. I really appreciate you guys. Sorry, man. Oh, man. Look, I'm reading all the chats now about the audio. Audio bad, audio bad, audio bad. Oh, man. Oh, man. All right. Well, guys, we are looking at this. In fact, you know what? We need to load up exo charts, and we need to load up CoinLies on this platform here so that we can watch this price action play out in real time. So look, we are looking right now at the fact that we are getting somewhat of bullish CBD as we are bouncing from the Fibonacci golden pocket. A lot of people shorted the VWAP. Take a look at the 7-minute time frame, aka the 15-minute time frame. A lot of shorts shorting the VWAP. They're still open right now. They're underwater. Right now, we've got 6.6 million shorts in the red. This could lead to a massive pump on Bitcoin. And it could also lead to, if Bitcoin's going to pump, we might see XRP pump right here as well. And my Bitcoin short trade that I am in will probably get stopped out at the entry, right around the entry there, a little bit higher than the entry. And yeah, we'll have to see what happens. But in the meantime, let us not forget that there's also the chance that we reject from the local golden pocket 786 zone. So for me, very important right here. If we reject from here, that's good. If we don't reject from here, that is bad. All right, that's bad news. Bad news bears, literally, right? Because the bears, we want the price to go down, but the bulls want the price to go up. Now, for me, I play both sides of the candlestick, right? Am I a bear? Am I a bull? I'm trans, all right? I'm both. It depends on the day. It depends on how I'm feeling. It depends on what trade is in more profit. You know what I'm saying? I'm in 6 trades right now, 3 shorts and 3 longs. Wow, what an idiot I am. This is how you know it's not financial advice. Guy longs and shorts at the same time. Pfft, imbecilic. But yeah, make sure to like the stream anyway and subscribe. All right. Let's see who else we got in chat right now. Shout out to J Boy Bullish in the chat. Shout out to Amaro in the chat. Shout out to Robert Bonar holding it down with the wrench, making sure there's no spam up in here. Guys, if we can get 1,000 likes, we'll do a giveaway. We got about 650 people in the house right now. 650 people in the house. Only about 200 likes. Yeah. How many kilometers do I walk a day? I have no idea, Seb8291. But I made a deal with myself. If I'm going to be on the computer, I'm going to be walking, right? And it's a game changer. It's a game changer. How do you get the CBD in the open interest? Well, what you do is you go to a website called coinalyze.net. And when you go to coinalyze.net, come over here to indicators and type in CBD. Go ahead and click that, right? And then type in open interest. Go ahead and click that, and that will give you the indicators you're looking for. Now, coinalyze.net has a lot of advertisements here that will make you want to click, all right? Look at this. 150% sportsbook, 50% casino, bet US, where the games begin. I want to click. Oh my goodness, look at this advertisement here. Oh wow, Moonway, Wall Street memes. Wall Street memes. Is it the next meme coin? Is it the next Pepe? I gotta click. SpongeBob. Oh my goodness, wow. Amazing. Amazing stuff we got here. Yeah, so we are getting a pump right now. Bitcoin is getting a pump, baby. Getting a pump right now. Now, the one thing that I'm currently looking at right here, and I'm going to be keeping my eyes peeled on this, is going to be this value area high, because we very well may get a rejection from there, right? We might get a rejection if we get a big pump up. 12-minute definitely could give us the bearish divergence. 6-minute definitely could give us the bearish divergence. 3-minute definitely could give us that bearish divergence. We have to wait and see, because we know that we came down to the VWAP, and when we came down to the VWAP, we had a lot of bottom short, ruining the fun for everybody, right? When you short the bottom, when you long the top, do you know that you're ruining people who actually waited for a good setup trade? Because now you're just saying, whales, come, squeeze me, squeeze me. I just shorted the bottom. Don't do that. Don't do that to us people who wait for the good setup, right? You're ruining all the fun. So we have a whole bunch of shorts trapped below the VWAP, still open, by the way. The way we can tell they're still open is because open interest hasn't come down, right? We can actually put on net shorts, and we can see right here, see all this purple stuff? These are shorts opening up. Shorts opening up. And this purple stuff would turn gray if those shorts had closed. Like, for example, during this last squeeze to the upside, look at all the purple that has turned gray here. Those are shorts closing out, right? A lot of shorts had opened up all in this zone here, thinking we're going down, we're going down, we're going down. Squeeze, they close. Now, here's the thing. As long as these shorts are open, this is fuel to the fire. Fuel to the fire, because these shorts aren't going to be squeezed until they're forced to close out of their position. They are convicted right now. They have a religious belief that the price is going down. All right? They're hodling on. And so this could really lead to a little move to the upside. Shout out to Jack. How do you handle a contradiction in CBD divergence between Bybit and Binance? I only use Bybit. Binance can't be trusted, right? Binance CBD cannot be trusted. Go and backtest CBD divergences on Binance versus Bybit. Superficially, just go back and backtest. You'll see those Binance divergences oftentimes are not accurate. They will be leading. And if you try to trade them, be careful. That's just what I've noticed here. So we're pumping, guys. My Bitcoin short trade from 29,300 is very well about to get stopped out after a TP1 is hit. 0.014 Bitcoin profit. We are going to see bullish CBD after coming down. A lot of people shorting the golden pocket and the VWAP at the same time. Oh my goodness. Now this is the kind of stuff, guys, that makes me go down a metaphysical train of thought, you know. People are like, the golden pocket works as a self-fulfilling prophecy because everyone knows to long the golden pocket. Well, guess what? That's not true. Most people decided to short the golden pocket. And so collectively, millions of people from all over the world, speaking all different languages and different continents and different time zones, decided at the same time to make the wrong decision at the Fibonacci golden ratio. That's crazy. That is crazy. How much free will do we have? That's crazy. You mean to tell me 6.6 million people on Bybit, right? We don't know what happened on other exchanges. They all decided to push the wrong button at the exact wrong time, literally at the exact wrong time. The Fibonacci golden ratio, the same ratio that shows up everywhere in the creation. That is crazy. It's not a self-fulfilling prophecy. You know what I'm saying? It could be a self-fulfilling prophecy if everyone decided to long this, but everyone decided to short it. That's crazy. All right, so let's see who else we got in chat. Shout out to my man. Thank you, Jack, for your super chat. I really appreciate that. I really appreciate that. Who the heck keeps calling me? It's my bank. My bank is calling me. That's weird. I better call them back at some point. Sato sold the golden pocket support. Shout out to Robert Bonar. Shout out to Seb. Seb, fast forward, my friend. I think the mic issues are fixed here. What's the name of the platform that shows open interest? There's two. I've got Exo Charts and I've got Coinalyze. Coinalyze is free. I highly recommend you check out Coinalyze. Coinalyze is totally free. Exo Charts, it's going to cost you a little bit of moolah, a little bit of Bitcoin. It's going to cost you a little bit of Bitcoin. Right, so let's see what's happening. We're coming close to the golden pocket, guys. We're coming close to the golden pocket. All right. Bitcoin short trade. shorted the bearish CVD divergence into the golden pocket. Now hit a TP1. I hit a TP1 right down here. Boom. This is the make it or break it for me. Are we going to reclaim now this golden pocket resistance? Looks like we might, guys. We've got a 5-minute order block, confluence with the 618. 5-minute order block, confluence with the 618. Let's see how Market Cipher B's looking here. Market Cipher B's looking like she might give us a bearish trigger. That's what I'd like to see, Market Cipher B. Oh, we're coming into the Fibonacci golden pocket right now. Are we going to get a bearish trigger on the 3-minute? Look at the 618. Look at that level being hit. Look at it being hit right now. Are we going to get a rejection? I don't know. Only time will tell. We didn't hit it here on MEXC. We only hit it on Bybit. Shout out to Bybit, even though I can't trade on Bybit anymore. I trade on ZOOMEX, very similar to Bybit. But we did hit it on Bybit. We were at the Fibonacci golden pocket. Tap once, little rejection. Tap twice, little purple candle. Let's go to the 1-minute time frame. Slight bearish divergence on the 1-minute time frame right here. Money flow continuing to get lower. Are we going to hold? Are we going to reject? Let's check out the order flow. What's happening? Those shorts are not squeezed yet, guys. These shorts are not squeezed yet. That's making me feel pretty dang bullish right now. Making me think we're going to get a little bounce. Making me think we're going to get a little short squeeze. We don't really have. We've got a few longs opening up here. But look at this. Longs were wrecked on that drop. Man, we had a lot of people long right here wrecked. A lot of shorts, short the bottom. Still open, baby. 6.6 million shorts open at the bottom. We're breaking through the Fibonacci golden pocket, baby. We're getting a little pump. Money flow getting thick on the 1-minute. Bam. Wow. That's going crazy. Money flow getting thick on the 1-minute. Wanted it 27,500. Am I looking to short if we reject? Nah, I'm not. I shorted this golden pocket up here. So this is why also I think like this could that's why I'm interested in potentially getting moved down from our current golden pocket. Because our first move to the downside, right? We got our first move down. We came up and rejected from the golden pocket. Bounced from the golden pocket. Now we're coming up to our current golden pocket. I don't have a plan to short this golden pocket. I did have a plan to short this golden pocket right here. Because this morning in the live stream, we were looking at, well, we're coming to local resistance, right? And so I wanted to see one of two things. I either want to see a higher high with a bearish div, which we still actually might get, or I want to see a lower high into the golden pocket with a bearish CVD divergence, which is what we did get, right? So I don't have a plan to take a short right here, right now. All right, here we go. It's the moment of truth. I'm about to get wrecked on live TV in front of millions of people, 100,000 subscribers. Maybe I'm exaggerating a little bit, but you know, it's all good. Sato is long. Well, good for him. Good for him. Getting thick just like my arms. Man, Mike, my arms are getting a little thin. I have to be honest, I've been getting lazy with the arm work. And I was looking in the mirror the other day. I thought to myself, man, Jason, what are you doing? I don't remember the last time you did a bicep curl, you know? So I got to work on that. It's easy to skip the curls and stuff like that when you're a busy homesteader. Do I trade altcoins, Pepe Pap? Well, yeah, I do. And right now, I'm currently long on Ripple, baby, from 65 cents. In fact, let's do some Ripple TA, because, man, you know. Well, maybe you don't know. But if anyone's been on this channel since this day, you guys know that since July 14th, 2023, my parents, how long they've been married? 49 years? Nah, I don't know. They've been married a long time. But since from this day, a day before my younger brother's birthday, I've been waiting for the 65-cent level to take a long on Ripple. And why? Why are we interested in that level? Well, oh, here we go, man. Bitcoin getting a rejection from the golden pocket? I don't know. Oh, no, maybe not. All right, let's pull open some Ripple here. Let's take a look at some XRP. XRP. Let's take a look at what I'm looking at with XRP here. So, XRP. When we take a look at the 12-hour time frame here, we have come down to none other than the golden pocket Fibonacci retracement from the last low we put in before that massive candle. Okay, we are bouncing to the dang dollar from the 618. Can you believe that? To the dang dollar from the 618. And we were looking at this level saying it is a beautiful liquidity grab. Everybody who's long here waiting for higher prices has their stop losses under 666. All right, the most satanic number, unless your manuscript of the Greek says 616 in the gematria instead of 666 in the gematria, right? Some manuscripts say 616. I don't know why. But anyway, I digress. And so we came down to the 65-cent zone, got the bounce. When we take a look at the 4-hour time frame, I do have to say that I like what I see in the sense that we are, in fact, getting bullish divergences here. BitBoy uneven butt cheeks. Okay, we've got the big BitBoy Ben Armstrong, Big Ben green dots down here. Nice and big and bubbly, bodaciously brilliant as the price is getting lower. Okay. And what else we got? We got money flow getting higher as the price is getting lower. Now, the only thing I don't like about this is that we don't have bullish divergences really on the lower term timeframes. So I'm keeping my eye on this level for XRP. If we get another move down still in this golden pocket and we're seeing something like this, right? Then that could be quite bullish. That could be quite bullish. But so far, I would say that we have not seen a real sign of strength on this Ripple bounce, XRP, Ripple, whatever you want to call it, until we put in a high higher than 69 cents, right? If we can put in a high at 69 cents, then we have officially changed market structure locally, right? We've taken out the last lower high in the downtrend, and then we also have to say to ourselves, look at all the stop losses that have to be above this area here, right? Look at all the liquidity that the whales could grab from all this area here. How many people have shorted Ripple with their stop loss here, with their stop loss here, with their stop loss here, with their stop loss here? And then look at this. Man, how many people's stop losses are above these highs? We could easily get a squeeze back up here, okay, on Ripple. And I myself, we did take the short in the Casper crew from the 618 Fibonacci, right? That I shorted the 618 Fibonacci. Bam. Look at that beautiful short right from the 618 Fibonacci. And now guess what? We are bouncing once again from the 618 Fibonacci. You can't even make this stuff up, man. Technical analysis, good old fib levels. That's the way to do it right there. How's the Bitcoin short? It's doing all right, guys. It's not doing so bad. It's not doing so good. We still haven't hit that golden pocket on MEXC. Looks like the money flow's real thick. Let's take a look at what's happening on the order flow. Volume's kind of coming down. We had 11 million trades open up with an increase of open interest on this candle when everyone shorted the golden pocket. Volume's tapering down. Okay, we've got 400,000 volume on this current candle. Let's go to the 5-minute time frame. All right, let's see. 5-minute time frame, volume tapering off. Wow. Is this real? We have seven volume. Shout out to Brock Landers. There we go, 300,000. Must have been a new candle. Shout out to Brock Landers for the super chat. Can we take a look at Sol? Yeah, let's take a look at Sol. It'll do my soul good. Let's take a look. All right, so Sol, guys. The 1 hour. Let's go to the daily. Let's go to the daily on Sol. Let's remove everything from the chart. Let's remove everything from the chart. So here's what I have to say about Sol. I like the bottom that we put in. I like the bottom that we put in. Why do I like the bottom? Because this bottom was put in with a massively bullish divergence on the daily time frame. Extremely bullish on the daily time frame. On the weekly time frame, would you look at this? Would you look at this? Massive bottom, huge bottom, very low, negative 71 on market Cipher B with a big BitBoy green dot on the weekly. That's crazy. And then when we came in, right, we made a higher low with a trigger wave, money flow getting higher. And we've now officially put in a local higher high here, right? So we put in a local higher high for the first time in a long time. All the way back November 2021, high, low, lower, high, lower, low, lower, high, lower, low, lower, high, higher, low, higher, high. We've officially changed market structure. Now, I know some people say not until this, but I would say I consider this a change in market structure. Even though it's a liquidity grab of the high and we didn't close the candle above, I still consider this a change in market structure. So I like the low. I like it. So now what we can do is we can take a look at the volume that's traded here. Let's take a look at the volume. We'll take it from the low. Wow. Wow. That's crazy. Let's not take it from the low. Let's take it from this low. Okay. Let's take it from here. Let's take it from here. All right. Okay. All right. Let's go back to our weekly time frame and let's see. Where can we find a juicy Sol trade? Can we find a juicy Sol trade today? Are we going to long Sol? Am I going to long Sol right now? FOMO in, 100x, full account, no stop loss? I don't think so. But I think we might be able to find a juicy level. All right. Man. All right. Okay. Let's pull a fib from the high to the low. Oof. Let's pull a fib from the low to the high. Wowzers. All right. Well, here's the thing, guys. I'll be honest. Right now, there's a level that I really like on Sol, and it's the Fibonacci Golden Pocket support resistance flip. Look at this. Daily wick right into the level resistance. Daily wick into the level support. Fibonacci Golden Pocket value area low of the range. Right after a change in market structure. For me, this is where I would look for a long on Sol. Right around the 786 Fibonacci Golden Pocket, this area right here. And I would want to see a move down there, and I would want to see bullish divergences on our good old 4-hour time frame, right? We're already starting to form them, right? What a beautiful trade setup this could be, right? If we do something like this. Bam! Right? Money flow getting higher. Maybe a little peek into the blue here. Maybe we get a little one last move up and another move down. Money flow peek into the blue a little bit, back into the purple. Nice and slight. Money flow getting higher over time. Right into that $18, $19 zone. Shout out to Canadian Boy. He says, can you see Ape? Canadian Boy, I love you. I love you so much, but I can't. I can do it next time, but I actually have to go. It's 3:15 p.m. and I have to help my wife with the kids because my wife is pregnant. I haven't even told my whole family yet, but now you guys know. So she's real tired those first few weeks. All right? So I got to go. But God bless you all in Jesus' name. Thank you guys so much for being here. Make sure to like, subscribe, and I'll see you all in the next stream. Peace.